The Ontario Neurodegenerative Disease Research Initiative is seeking participants residing in Ontario for an innovative remote monitoring study. This study is called Health and Aging, Neurodegenerative Diseases, and Dementias in Ontario, or HANDS Ontario for short. This study is focused on finding new ways to diagnose and improve the lives of people living with neurodegenerative diseases, stroke, and dementia. Participants also receive some insight into their own health and activities. The process begins with a phone or video call with a research coordinator. This call provides interested individuals and, when applicable, care partners the opportunity to speak with a member of the study team to learn more about what the study involves and ensure it is a good fit. Following a successful screening call, the consent form is reviewed with a research coordinator. At Andri, we take your data security very seriously. All study data is encrypted and stored on the Ontario Brain Institute's state-of-the-art, highly secure data capture platform called BrainCode. The HANDS Ontario protocol occurs over approximately 8 weeks. During this time, participants attend a series of virtual study visits with their research coordinator. All visits are scheduled at times convenient for the participant. Participants are also required to visit a local LifeLabs location to provide a blood sample. Participants receive a package in the mail containing 3 sensors and all additional study materials. At the next visit, the research coordinator models how to put on each of the sensors, explains how to complete the study logbooks and questionnaires. Over the next 7 to 10 days, participants wear the 3 small sensors, one on the wrist, one on the ankle, and one on the chest, as they go about their regular day-to-day activities. These sensors gather information about daily behaviors such as sleep, walking, and physical activity. Sensors can be removed for activities such as showering, bathing, and swimming. During the 8-week period, participants are required to provide a blood sample at a LifeLabs location. This is the only part of the study that requires participants to leave the comfort of their home. Research coordinators are available to assist with finding an accessible location. During the study period, participants also complete various questionnaires about their sleep, mood, and quality of life. Many of these questionnaires can be done independently using a secure email link, or they can be completed with the help of a research coordinator. Participants receive a personalized health and activity report from when they wore the sensors. This report summarizes different aspects of daily living, such as walking, sleeping, and physical activity. Participants meet with a member of the study team to discuss their report. This report only contains data from the sensors. It does not contain results from the blood work and the questionnaires, or consider personal details from the participant's medical history. Most participants find the information contained in these reports interesting and helpful, and it can be shared with others. Feedback is an integral part of the HANDS Ontario study. Participants have the opportunity to provide their thoughts on the report and their overall experience during the study. This feedback is used to update aspects of the study as needed. The HANDS Ontario study is looking for Ontario adults, including individuals living with Alzheimer's disease, mild cognitive impairment, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or ALS, Parkinson's disease, frontotemporal dementia, and those who are post-stroke, or adults living in the community without a diagnosis of a neurodegenerative disease or stroke. If you or anyone you know is interested in learning more about this study, please reach out to us by visiting our website. You can also contact us by phone at 437-882-8335 or email us at hands@andri.ca. The contact information can be found on the right-hand side of the screen or in the description below.